Yeah, he put on some damage on the back fender.
Well guys, I messed up. I was all sorts of excited to be done with work today because I was supposed to take this engine block off this engine stand and down to a machine shop 20 thousandths over for my forged pistons, and they were also going to hot tank it and install my intermediate shaft bearings for me, which would be great if I had intermediate shaft bearings. So I forgot to order the intermediate shaft bearings from Tectonics Tuning because nobody else carries them. I called all sorts of local places, including the Volkswagen dealership, and they cannot get me any. So I ordered from Tectonics Tuning with 2-day shipping, and the engine block's gonna have to go in on Wednesday. So today instead, we're gonna go to Charles's place for a while, work on Jake's 240SX, and then got something cool, which you already know is going on because I'm definitely putting it in the title. But you'll see it later. Soon. The lights do look pretty sick. Too bad you can't drive your car with them on. Yeah. We did an install video on Jake's channel, but he didn't really explain a whole lot what's happening. By the way, those are just $18 lights from Walmart. They happen to fit in there pretty decently. And I wired it up to one of the blank switches. It was doing nothing on his switch panel in there. See if they'll turn on. Are you trying to turn it on with the factory headlight switch?
I've done this like once.
No. They're not. But, as I informed Jake, he should definitely not just go buy an alternator.
Chappie said I should.
Because it could very easily be wiring and not the alternator, because you've seen the wiring in this car. Because I know it's not the headlight wiring that's causing a ridiculous unnecessary drain, because it's literally just an inline fuse powering two like 6-watt LEDs. So
naturally. Until I get everything all situated. Yeah.
monster trucking.
Probably be up and down, up and down.
Too bad you can't do that with a switch anymore.
That's true. That's like the only disadvantage.
The advantage though is it rides nicely. What are they, BCs?
Yeah, the BCs. I had Megan's on my last one and they were money.
I've never heard someone say Megan racing coilovers are okay. They're like either good or they hate them.
Bother charging us because it's just going to die right away.
Oh, as long as he doesn't turn the headlights on. Are we gonna go get a multimeter? He wanted to just buy an alternator. I was like, no.
I don't know why you wouldn't.
I was gonna use the grinder, but the claw's holding it now, so I can't.
You best not piss that claw off or else. Yeah.
Alright, so I just put this ground from the battery to bare metal because it was on a seat bracket that's like sort of touching a painted surface. Chappie noticed that, and like when the battery was super dead before, and now with the new ground the lights turn on. So I say we go to Walmart, get a multimeter, and test the alternator.
Watch the engine. Alright, hold on. We all just stand on the front of this thing.
I'm kind of scared too.
Alright.
I just don't want to break anything.
It's a Dachshund, everything breaks.
Oh.
Anything and everything. One of these days I will probably paint the engine bit.
Bolt the hood to the or the hinges.
That's what I'm probably going for in a minute.
Yeah, before you put the hood pins on, is my point. That way it'll line up
I like
properly.
how it's
Yeah, it's gonna be expensive as hell though.
been- You knew what the red pitch was.
They have the thing in there.
Oh, do they?
What are you getting, Chappie?
O-ring and a heater hose to loop the thingy on the 2J because everybody says I'll blow it.
Chappie, did you know? Yeah.
Nice.
M8x125. Put it in the hole.
That's this one right here.
Oh my god, I'm amazing. M8x125.
Is it too long though?
Jake, look how many bolts there are. Get the appropriately sized ones. Here's a pro tip. When you're buying bolts, buy ones that fit. Those will probably work, yeah. Chappie, did you know Snap-on website has a set of sockets that's $42,000? And it's only like 14 of them. But they're 2.5-inch drive sockets, and they range from like 5 1/8 to 6 1/4 inches.
I have a super big socket for my knockoff wheels. The wheels you gotta use a hammer to knock off.
He's mad that the multimeter is $13. It's Walmart. He can just bring it back. It's got a hood on it now. And baller lights. Chappie Baller, be my shrink for the hour. I never noticed there's this big hole back here. By the way, if anyone wants air ride set up for a Z.
Or any car with DC coilovers.
Oh. Really?
Yeah, because that's what it was made for.
Interesting.
The bags take the place of the spring.
There you go.
Fun fact.
How much you selling it for?
$2,800.
With the tank and compressor and everything?
Tank, compressors, management, bags.
Boom.
Let it charge, Jesus Christ. Everyone's like instantly, oh! And Charles is the worst, he just stays on the starter for 1,200 years. Like a dumb,
There's gonna be so much bleeping.
you'll know what I said. He's only hurt. Let it fucking charge, Jesus!
Well, we had it idling, and I checked the battery and the alternator both at almost 15 volts, so it was the bad ground. Imagine that. And then Jake forgot to turn the fans on again, so it overheated while it was idling. Now turn the fan on.
Yeah, now turn it down. Really gotta make it quieter.
A lot quieter. It's really loud.
Yeah. Also, shitty KA. Just fucking pop that clutch kicker.
Yeah, it's got 225s and it's a KA. He was getting real wide there. Really hurts my soul to have to hear that.
Yeah.
Well, this battery's about to die, but it works.
Yeah,
Headlights work.
Not that well.
We skidded it. Chappie's about to take me for a ride in the BMW because his meth injection tune is done and it's going to make a monstrous, disgusting amount of horsepower. So I'm going to save this battery for that. Hit it. Good Lord. What's this?
Ready? All on my back, my side skirt.
I want the hardtop so bad.
Right? That's the only reason I bought the car. No.
So here it is. The Haggard garage. Little Miata that could. So ridiculous.
No, dude. I have freaking pillows on the seats because I couldn't adjust it.
Hell yeah.
So I should have took it off before you like recorded.
You guys by now should know Laker
What's up, guys?
or JunkMiata. If you guys want to see what's going down with this car, go subscribe to his channel because he just bought it. But yeah, got the fuel cell, no heater,
Dude, I'm frozen.
balling
like a
from
rock.
Portland.
Yep. 6 hours. Icy cold. Dude, did you get my sick booster seat on there?
The high-vis jacket seat.
Yeah, dude, this is
Smells like gas
custom.
in there.
Dude, it's so bad. It's burning my eyes. It's burning my eyes. No joke. You got that value power Walmart battery? Shout out.
Same. Mine's dead. It doesn't start my car anymore.
We figured out you can go about 160 miles on that tank before you have to.
I have gifts for you because you have to christen it properly. So first,
Oh, dude.
of course, we got the Curse Forever sticker.
Which one
Where
are you
gonna slap
Dude,
it at?
Right here.
You want it there? Right on the passenger door.
That'll work
For
perfect.
Drift Nation. Let's do it. Is it warmed up?
Yo, people are gonna.
Yeah, it should be alright.
Sweet. I know, dude. I'm.
See, that's what I was afraid of. It's a little chilly.
Fact it. Right there. Look at that.
No, yeah, that's pretty well placed, honestly. So those ones always kind of get reckless in the cold, but one I can promise you is gonna stick.
Oh, dude, my Ross's sexy slap. Yeah, let's go on the fridge, dude.
Yeah, there's
Mercy, Willie.
Josh and Brennan are already there.
Are they really
Yeah.
waiting? Slide, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah, go for it.
Like, look at this sweet duct tape. Oh, the beer smell. Jake.
Well, Jake's driving the little Miata that could.
Smells like fuel.
It sure does.
That would make me nauseous on a trip like he just took.
He's only halfway through it, too.
This cabin feels so much smaller than your car.
Because of the seats. Oh, he's moving. In true Haggard garage fashion. Alright, a trip or a visit from Laker would never be complete without Los Betas. Dude, you gonna get the Ogden burrito? It almost seems appropriate.
Dude, I have to. It's for me.
It's got hot Cheetos in
Sean,
it.
I know. And then we have the Idaho burrito.
What is this?
That's the real tire.
Alright, well, it's 3 in the morning. Lakers about to crash here, get a power nap. I'm sorry. Name.
Sterling,
Okay.
little brother. eBay DJ.
eBay
You'll
DJ.
see it in my video.
So they're gonna take a quick power nap here and then be on their way to Salt Lake City.
Yeah.
But the little Miata that could has made its triumphant YouTube return.
Oh yeah, and it has made successful like one state.
6 hours
More
so
to go.
far, yeah.
Yeah, 6 hours.
Not too bad.
Dude, you already have like 300 likes on all your Instagram posts.
It's
So-
insane. It's blowing up.
So if you guys want to see what's good with the little Miata that could, I'm sure he'll make an update video talking about
Yeah.
the history of it and how he wound up with it, etc.
Yep. There's gonna be all that.
Go subscribe to JunkMiata. It's in the top right, whichever way. But in the meantime, thank you guys very much for watching. Hope you had fun with this video. It's always good when there's Chappie in it. So We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.